everyone, in this video we will solve another question of TOC gate examination question. So let's move. So here is our question number 4. Here we have the question to prove set A is equals to L bracket में G. We have four options to prove this grammar. First says it is enough to prove that an arbitrary member of A can be generated by the grammar G. Second option says it is enough to prove that an arbitrary string generated by G belongs to set A. C option says that both the above comments A and B are to be proved. Option D says either of the above comments A or B is to be proved. Let's analyze all these four options and select the best suitable answer for this question. So to prove that set A is equals to the language generated by grammar G, A is equals to L, G, we need to establish a bidirectional relationship. Let's examine each option. First option says it is enough to prove that an arbitrary member of A can be generated by the grammar G. This statement implies that if we can demonstrate that any string in set A can be generated by the grammar G, then it suffices to establish A is equals to LG. B option says it is enough to prove that an arbitrary string generated by G belongs to set A. This statement suggests that if every string generated by the grammar G is a member of set A, then it is sufficient to prove A is equals to LG. Let's see another remaining two options. C option says both the above comment A and B are to be proved. These options assert that we need to demonstrate both directions, that any string in set A can be generated by G and that any string generated by G belongs to set A. Option D says either of the above comments A or B is to be proved. This option implies that proving either statement A or statement B is sufficient to establish A is equals to LG. To determine the correct option, we need to recognize that to prove equality between two sets, we must establish that every element of one set is also an element of the other set and vice versa. Thus, both directions need to be proved, which correspondent to option C. So, explanation for the correct answer is prove statement A ensure that every number of set A can be generated by grammar G. Proving statement B ensure that every string generated by grammar G belongs to set A. By proving A and B, we establish the bidirectional relationship necessary to prove the equality A is equals to LG. Therefore, the correct option is C. Both the above comments and A and B are to be proved. So this is the correct option, suitable answer for this question. So thank you so much for this video. We will meet with another question in